Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going over these new leaks and these new surfaced images we have seen of the Yeezy 451. Okay, so first off, before I start, I don't think they're going to be called Yeezy 451. I think it's going to be the Yeezy 450. Let me just get that out the way. I've heard a lot of people, Yeezy Mafia even said it is going to be the Yeezy 450, and that makes a lot of sense. We haven't seen a single Yeezy that has been with a 1 at the end of it. It is the 700, 350, 380. Either way, whatever they're called, we gotta go over some of these new images that we have seen of this sneaker. Now, of course, we have seen this. This sneaker has been rumored for such a long time now. We have seen all kinds of different mock-ups and renders and leaks and samples and everything like that. We have seen them now on Kanye's feet. So he was wearing them to Paris Fashion Week, and he was wearing it almost seems like they've gone backwards from what they originally started. It almost seems like they're getting more and more simple. But anyway, these are, statistically speaking, if Kanye wears them, then they're probably going to release. The latest sample pair that we have a picture of, and this is from Yeezy Mafia, is this picture right here. The Yeezy I'm just gonna call them the Yeezy 450, okay? The Yeezy 450 has been, of course, we've seen so many different pictures of it in different styles, but this newest sample, so this is the same one that we saw Kanye wearing. So it is, I think, the latest sample that is on the books right now and that they're working on. And of course, it is a crazy looking pair of sneakers. And before I go in on these shoes, I just want to say I am a fan of crazy different sneakers. Hell, I even have a series on my channel that is called Crazy Sneakers, where I look at all of the craziest sneakers, and when these do release, they're definitely going to be featured on one of those episodes. Pretty much the upper of this sneaker is a one-piece sock-like upper, which I assume will come in some sort of prime knit material. It looks like it is a higher cut, so already something I'm not a massive fan of. And sock-like shoes it's just not, it's not my thing. You get to the bottom and now you have salad fingers coming up and grabbing you by the foot, and you have these claw-like extensions of the midsole coming up and wrapping around the sneaker. So of course this is like the most different part, and I think what makes this sneaker so crazy. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this where the midsole is coming up and wrapping onto the center of the shoe. This prototype or this sample, it seems like there's a long way before this actually gets into production. Now that's just my opinion. These could just release like this for all I know. In this sample, it just looks very unfinished. It almost seems like one of these pairs of rip-off Yeezys that you would find on AliExpress. This is definitely in the works, and whether it comes through like this or a little bit different, this general midsole claw thing, Slender Man hand that's going on, this is probably gonna stay. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm definitely gonna be first in line to try and grab a pair just to take a look at. I think something so different should be applauded. I think it's like cool. If we didn't have any innovation or anything different, we would all be worse off for it. So it's always good to see different brands doing different things. And of course, Kanye is definitely at the forefront for doing different things. So I am super happy that something like this is gonna be in the works. However, is it something that I'm prepared to whack on? I really don't know at this point. But either way, I'm gonna hold out and hope that they add a few different elements to this. I feel like the idea is so good, and the base construction of this is such a cool, interesting idea. I hope they run with this, but I do hope they change just a few different things. But anyway, that's just my opinion. Of course, I want to know yours, so leave those down in the comment section. What do you think of this? I feel like people are going to be pretty torn, just like we've seen on the foam runners. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you drop a subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And that is it. Thanks for watching.